Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day. Today we are going to discuss and present our opinion about the question on the group project MAF603. Before we jump into the questions, let me make a brief introduction about 1MDB. 1MDB is a government-linked company which only owned by the Ministry of Finance. 1MDB stands for One Malaysia Development Berhad. It commenced its business in 2009 under the lead of Datuk Seri Najib Razak. Alright, let's proceed into question 1. What is capital structure? Capital structure revolves around how the firm's finance its overall operation through debt and equity. It also relates with we measure the value of the firm, which is V equal to S plus B. So why is it so important to have a capital structure? First reason is to maximize the value of the firm. Second, to minimize the cost. And the third one is for the growth of a country.
Okay, for the next question, what is the 1MDB's capital structure model? Since 1MDB is one of the largest company in Malaysia, it also required a financial instrument to finance their operation through debt or equity. So, what we get from the financial statement, the information that we get from the financial statement is the total liability of the 1MDBs in 2013 is around 42 billion, while their total equity is only about 2 million. So the percentage of the debt to the total debt and total equity is around 94% in 2013. So it shows that the firm is financed entirely or majority with the debt and only a low capitalization. If we make a comparison to the 2014, the debt the company is increasing the borrowing to the 48 billions, while their equity is only or it stay at the 2 billion, which is there was no significant changes or increasing in the equity. But it shows that the percentage of the total debt to the total equity and total debt is about 95%.
Okay, now we proceed with the question number 3. The question number 3 is it 1MDB model is a sustainable model? From our team, we did not agree that 1MDB model is a sustainable model. So in other words, that we agree with the Datuk Seri Wahid Omar that the 1MDB model is a not sustainable model. Our fact is a lot of debt is used to finance growth, so the company could potentially generate more earning. And however, the cost of finance is too high compared to the increase of the generated income. The cost of debt can be varied with the market conditions. Thus, it is unprofitable borrowing is not apparent.
Alright, so next I will be explaining about the main objective of the company in WACC and Proposition 1 and 2. So the main objective of the company is to increase the shareholder wealth, and it can be done by reducing the WACC. WACC stands for Weighted Average Cost of Capital. So let's move on Proposition 1. In world without taxes, increasing in leverage does not affect the WACC. This is because the increasing in cost of debt will be offset by the reducing cost of equity. Next, the Proposition 2, in world with taxes, the leverage will increase and then the tax shield will also increase. So the effect is the cost of debt will be reduced and the overall WACC will also be reduced. But in reality, 1 MDB's value does not increase. This is because the Modigliani and Miller proposition 1 and 2 does not taking into the account of 3 other factors, that is the bankruptcy cost, and then the agency cost, and then the tax exhaustion. Conclusion, 1 MDB's issues is still ongoing and still on the investigating, and we can throw all the hate on Datuk Sri Najib, because to align with the new concept that is Malaysia Baru. I think that's all from us. Thanks for watching, and give a thumbs up below. Please subscribe.